See that camera? In a Camry. We're gonna get her out by popping this open. I already took it off. It's over there. These guys. Center pins come out. Center pins come out. All 142 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Go all the way around. We're gonna get that out. Now, to get the actual camera out, we need to get this guy, and this guy. These two 10 mils, which are these two. Oh, and don't lose your push pins. That was for show purposes only. Now over in the corner, we got this guy. These little puppies. These are just miniature versions of these guys. Center pops out. Tool like this. Gotta love this thing. Alright, there's two of them. One on each side. Right here. Where is it? Right here. Alright, now, with that being undone, then you have push pins. Alright, so you got one over here. Alright. Pop this guy out. Because these guys, little push pins right here in. You see them? Two of them. Now, we also have these white pins. I'm going to show you what I did to get them out. I used this guy. You see over here? I used it as leverage and pushed upward. You see? You want to squeeze and push upward, you see? Now, let's get these puppies out. See the other one right there? Let's get this puppy out. That guy is this guy. That guy. Push up, 10, 10, push up, pull out, push in. So there you go. Now, we have this puppy. 1, 2. I don't know if you need to actually remove these two, but let's do it. Okay, a little tricky because A, why do they have this one on this side? These little wings right here. Easier to squeeze this one than this one. This one's on the sides. You see them? These little wings. That's what helped hold this puppy in place. You see as you push in? See that? And here's your camera. Do I have to show you how to unplug it? Do I really? Squeeze that and pull out. Ready? Squeeze that down and pull out. And here is the actual part number. I don't think you can find these things online as far as replacements, but let me show you what I'm talking about. These guys line up. You see? I just push them back in. And they're multi-purpose. They are same thing that hold these guys in. So, put it back, and we will say sayonara with like it, don't like it, share, don't share, subscribe, don't subscribe. And come on, dude, do I have to sit there and tell you how to put this back? You don't want to take it apart. You got 10 mil on the other side, push, and pop this puppy back in. Done. So, thanks for watching.